You!
Can I see Deepak?
A cat will not beg for his life, but a dog will beg for his biscuit.
Please, can I please see Deepak, please? Everything's falling apart without him. Please.
Then you'd best come in. Who said you could stop begging?
Cats.
Watch it. Dylan's here.
Tell him I shan't return until he surrenders his dog ego.
He says he shan't return until you surrender your dog ego.
I can hear him, you know.
He says he can hear... We know that dog would just make you feel small. Also insignificant.
The dog must prove his catworthiness with a series of tests.
99 tests.
But why 99?
Test 1. Creativity of the cat.
The dog must create a poem, a haiku, in praise of cats. He probably doesn't even know what a haiku poem is.
Ahem. Dog wags tail, it means throw stick, me thick. Cat wags tail, it means do not touch.
You pass.
Yes!
Test number 2. Cruelty of the cat.
The wild meow tells us, wise is the cat who refuses food, for he shall be served something better. Observe the cat. No drool. Observe the dog.
Time for test 3. Agility of the cat.
The dog must make it to the sculpture.
Ha! Easy peasy.
Without touching a string.
You can do this, Dylan. For Deepak.
Landed on 4 feet. Woo!
How many tests left to go?
96.
Let's get on with it. Phew!
We don't really have 99 tests. We were just toying with our victim. It's a cat thing.
You've suffered enough, brother. And you proved that you really do want me back.
I really do.
And do you now have a new respect for cats?
I did too!
Then farewell, youngling. And please get this dripping sack of canine mucus off my property.